What if AI could actually remember everything about you, forever? OpenAI just gave ChatGPT a massive memory upgrade. It can now remember your preferences, past conversations, and personal context across every single session. No more repeating yourself. No more starting from scratch. The AI learns you, your habits, your goals, your communication style. This isn't just a feature update. This is AI becoming genuinely personal. Imagine having an assistant that knows you better every single day. That's no longer science fiction. It's happening right now. If you want to stay ahead of every AI breakthrough as it drops, subscribe right now, because this is only the beginning.